I just had we had discussed the same problem in many times in many forums. Even whatever it is, this invisible and visualizing, this has in a very problematic words actually. The problem is we doesn't like to see some faces, and we never recognize their any kind of a contributions, and we want sometimes a point of time we want to over recognize certain things. So both are actually very difficult in the society where there is a stigma and social discrimination. When there is an untouchability and the practices are there, if the untouchable is doing some work and which they not supposed to do, if you over recognize that, means what? So you say that you are cleaning so well, so you keep on cleaning for a whole lifetime this only, so I will glorify you. So this is in a very problematic when you think about the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's very important ideology. He said that you have to come out of certain things. So the manual scavenging or the scavenging, drain cleaning or sweeping and all looked so down because of the caste system. When it is linked with the caste, without recognizing the involvement of the caste in this, and we want to praise and we want to pull Barsao. What is this? So you are making a mockery of the actually the people who are never paid the salaries on time, never paid any kind of a PPE kit or whatever. PPE kya hai? Including the mask, and you are coming and showering the flowers, and you are saying that we recognize. What you recognize? You recognize the discrimination, you are recognize the stigma, you are again praising the untouchability practice. So how do we break the chain between the caste and the occupation, which has made them actually the slaves like untouchables or the Safai Karmacharis in this country? This we have to say. Instead of that, we say that recognize them and give them a friend warrior or give them a Bharat Ratna. If somebody gives honor some Safai Karmachari as a Bharat Ratna to clean the garbage so well, so which what? So this is what we have to look from that lens. Then second important thing which I want to just say very openly is this present governments, mostly the state governments or the central government, it is an anti-labor laws they are actually doing, which means the laws which has protected the rights, minimum rights of the this marginalized and the labor. Who are the labor? The labor in the sense we can think about the majority are the Dalits, Adivasis and the OBCs only. So such people had a protection with the laws, with the great difficulty, with the great movements. Many people struggled and given the life to get the law. So those laws they have reverted back and they have taken everything. And they say that there is no point even to follow the 8 hours. Already Safai Karmachari, sanitation workers, the women are working in the odd hours. So women are not permitted to work in the odd hours. That is then according to the labor law. But in the many cities, now you can see that morning 4 o'clock they started sweeping and a night shift they are making, and they are not supposed to do all those things. So now they have scratched all those laws. So now they can do exploitation as much as, see, before also exploitation happened, but at least some voices can demand, this is a galat hai, this is a wrong, we are working against the labor law. But now they justified that exploitation. This is the most important, we have to take this is a forward. Justified the exploitation and they made that as a law now, new law. So the social order, whatever is there, where the exploitation is happening, that justification, which means they really make taking back the actual dignity, self-respect, and the voices of the marginalized to the very ancient back to the back. So as Baba Saheb Ambedkar said, we have to take anything to forward. Instead of taking forward, we are taking back many things, and particularly when you talk about the labor, it is nothing but the Dalits, Adivasis, and the marginalized. So my submission here is the salaries which they are not paid, they must pay on time, and there should not be any further delay. And there are the many people died during the corona, And the corona is such a disease, everybody is closing the doors and sitting. During that time when they are coming and cleaning, and we are not giving any proper gear or the protective personal protective equipments, during that, due to that, almost like the data is coming, 200 Safai Karmacharis across the country died around, the rough number. So such people whoever died and their families, government take very stringent steps to protect, and they must reinstate it in the non-scavenging, non-sweeping, dignified occupations, thereby the community move forward. And the people who died, for that they have to provide the compensation, and the amount is not important, but they must acknowledge very clearly what they have done the wrong. We are not here demanding you give the money, you give the safety gear, but the government first, they must come and they must apologize the community that what the blunder they have done during the COVID, not provided even a drinking water. So we have to take small things are also important when it is coming to the dignity, and the women coming and working in the sanitation sector know any kind of a toilet facilities, how much they struggle. You can't even explain that. So all such things, why the governments are not thoroughly thinking, it is you are not going to stop tomorrow. It is going to continue. So during that time, what are the steps we have to give? The government demands 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that this session will bring such kind of recommendations where the government must follow that. Otherwise, we have to call our people, organize them very well, and make this as a big movement in this country to have a next social transformation. Thank you.